Take a look at some of these English learning channels. They pull in millions of views, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and generate impressive monthly income. The best part? They're not teaching kids, they're helping adults practice everyday English through simple, practical conversations. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create the same type of videos using free AI tools. You'll learn how to generate ideas, create scripts, produce voiceovers, make AI videos, edit them into long-form content, and even design professional thumbnails. Make sure you watch until the end because the editing process is the secret that makes these videos stand out and helps them qualify for monetization. Open the link in my video description and visit my website. You'll find a master prompt that I've prepared for you. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique English learning video ideas based on everyday situations like shopping, cooking, traveling, and daily routines. If you want more options, simply type "more" and you'll get another 10 ideas. Choose the topic you like best, then ChatGPT will ask how many scenes you want. I recommend 20 scenes for a video that's around 3 minutes long. You'll receive a complete script along with individual scene prompts for video creation. Each dialogue includes both a natural version and a slower version to help viewers practice English. The generated script is designed specifically for adult English learners. For example, I need some apples. I need some apples. The slower repetition helps viewers understand pronunciation and improve speaking skills. You'll also receive detailed prompts for every scene, making the video creation process much easier. If you use Google Flow, the dialogue is already built into each prompt. Otherwise, you can use the free method I'm about to show you. Copy the complete dialogue script and open Google AI Studio. Select the speech and music feature and choose a voice you like. Set the style to vocal smile and the pace to natural for a friendly and realistic sound. Delete the sample text and paste your script. Click Run to generate the voiceover. Listen to the result and download the audio once you're satisfied. Now your narration is ready. Open Meta AI and go to the Vibes section. Copy the first scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Meta AI. The tool will generate 4 different images. Choose your favorite and click Animate to turn it into a video clip. Repeat the process for every scene. Continue until you've created and animated every scene. Download all the finished video clips. Open your preferred online video editor and create a landscape project. Upload your AI video clips and voiceover. Add a whiteboard-style element and create a clean layout for your English learning content. Insert a background shape and arrange your layers properly. Add a title such as Daily English Practice, Daily Routine English, or any title that matches your topic. Drag your first video clip into the editor and adjust its size. Use the color picker tool to match your background color with the colors in your scene for a more professional look. Add your AI voiceover to the timeline and synchronize it with the video. Trim and adjust each layer to match the length of every scene. Repeat the process for all your clips. Go back to your script and copy the first sentence. Add a text box and place the sentence on the whiteboard. Adjust the font and size to make it easy to read. Apply a simple animation to make the text more engaging. Repeat this for every sentence in your script. This combination of video, audio, and animated text creates an effective learning experience for viewers. Once you've finished editing, click Share and then Download. Keep the video in MP4 format and export your project. Return to my website and copy the master thumbnail prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. When asked, enter your video title. ChatGPT will generate detailed thumbnail prompts designed to create highly clickable YouTube thumbnails. Use the image generation feature to create your thumbnail. The result will include bold text, attractive visuals, and a professional design that can improve your click-through rate. Now you have a complete system for creating AI-powered English learning videos. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep improving your content, upload regularly, learn from your audience, and with time and dedication, you can build a successful educational channel with strong views and long-term earning potential. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.